Petra, the lost city of stone. In the heart of the Jordanian desert, hidden behind mountains of rose-colored stone, lies a city carved not by machines, but by human hands thousands of years ago. This is Petra, the lost city of stone. To reach Petra, one must pass through a narrow canyon called the Sick, a winding path carved by nature over millions of years. As you walk through its shadows, ancient whispers echo on the stone. And then, like a dream, it appears. The Treasury, a masterpiece carved into a 40-meter-high cliff. It looks like a palace from legend, but it was actually a tomb, built over 2,000 years ago. Petra was built by the Nabateans, an Arab people who mastered trade and survival in the desert. They turned Petra into a bustling city, where traders from China, India, Egypt, Greece all passed through, bringing wealth and wonders. But how did they survive in the desert? The Nabateans were genius engineers. They built hidden pipelines, reservoirs, and dams, capturing rainwater and storing it for months. Petra was not just beautiful, it was smart. They carved temples, tombs, and theaters out of solid stone. Over 800 structures in all. At its peak, over 20,000 people lived here. But time was cruel. Earthquakes shattered parts of the city. Trade routes shifted. And slowly, Petra was abandoned, lost to the world for over 1,000 years. Then, in 1812, a Swiss explorer named Johann Ludwig Burckhardt disguised himself as a local and rediscovered the city. The world was stunned by what he found. Today, Petra is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. But it's more than a tourist site. It's a memory carved in stone, a monument to human creativity and endurance. Petra was once forgotten, but now it tells a story that the world will never forget. A story written not in words, but in stone.